Hi, my name is Trey Miller. I'm with Global Project Management, and I wanted to address a question that I've received a few times recently. And that question is, I'm using Primavera Cloud. I used to use Primavera P6, and in P6 I could open multiple projects concurrently very easily, just using File, then Open, selecting the project files, and then choosing Open. But I'm not able to do it in Primavera Cloud. So there is a way to do it. Just wanted to make a quick video illustrating this. So first thing I want to do is go to Select an Item and choose Programs. And so what is a program? It's a group of projects that we manage in a coordinated way, right? So this first thing I want to do is create a group of projects that are part of this program. So choose Program, and create a new program by choosing Add Program. And I'm going to have to specify a location, give it a name, give it an ID, basic things like that. So in which workspace should it be created? You won't be able to assign it to the corporate root, so you'll need to select, in which of these lower level items does it reside. So I'm going to say this is a production project, so I'm going to choose Production. This is one of our quote-unquote live files, as opposed to something that I might have in a sandbox non-production environment. So select, give it a name, and I'll just call it Sample Program, and SMPG. Okay, I can specify manager if I want, enter project plan start date if I want, program plan start date, and then the description. I'm just going to go ahead and hit next. And now I need to select the files that belong. So I'm going to say, all right, this project, Juniper, City Center Office Building Addition project. And I can hit move over. So I'm going to hit the right arrow here and select these. Choose next. All right, I can select users who needs access to this, and I'll just go ahead and keep it as the default, which is myself. Hit next. I can select permissions, set those however I want, choose next. Again, make more modifications. I can go back, assign any information that I left out, but I'm just going to go ahead and hit Add Program. Systems processing, you can see from up here at the top that we do have sample program selected. And once this is up and running, then what I want to do is just choose View Activities. And when I do this, you'll be able to see these three projects that I added into this program concurrently. So I'll give it a second to process. And here we go. Here's the City Center Office Building Addition project. I can collapse that. Here's the Juniper Nursing Home. I'm going to collapse that. And then here's the Nesbitt Building Expansion. I can collapse that. And if I wanted to link them together, I can easily do that. That's it. Fairly straightforward. Thank you guys for watching.